Hi, this is Mukaula Songo, and I'm going to deal with blocks as a manager. As a manager, I have a full control of the blocks. I have already activated the following blocks. There's a menu block, the latest announcement block, the search block, the upcoming event block, and the recent block entry. All these blocks can be viewed even when the editing is off. As you can see, it says turn the editing on, the editing is off. To manipulate the blocks and to add other blocks, I turn the editing on. Let's turn the editing on. Right. If it turns red and say turn editing off, it means the editing is on. Now, when the editing is on, we can manipulate the blocks. Let's start by moving the blocks around. I want the latest announcement to be up. Okay. Let's move the upcoming event upwards. We can move this up. There's the upcoming upcoming event was below the search forum, now is above the search forum. If we click on the gear, we can either configure the upcoming event, hide the upcoming event, or delete the upcoming event. Let's start by configuring the upcoming event. We've got the original block location, the display on page type, the default region, and default weight. If you want to understand this, you can click on the question mark. Let's try this display on the page. Any page, any course page, or any, let's leave it at any type of courseways. Default, let it be on the left, and let's leave the weight, default weight as it is. Let's go to on this page. It's on the right, let's move it to the left. We want it to be visible, and let the weight be 1. Then we click on Save Changes. Let's see. There it is. It has moved to the left. We can also hide it. Let's try to hide it. Everything that is on upcoming event is hidden. Now let's add another block. There is a number of blocks. All these are the blocks. There's a lot of them. We can take any. I would like to add the calendar. Let's add the calendar. As we see, the default is on the right. There's our calendar. If you want to change it to the left, I've already shown you how to change it. Thank you very much for listening.